Bonjour class! Hello everybody. I am super excited for you guys to enjoy a really great summer. I'm also getting ready to enjoy my summertime. I'm super excited to go swimming and hang out outside, and I miss you guys and I hope you have so much fun. I wanted to hop on here for one last story. I don't have Madame Vache with me, but I got this really great book in the mail. Finally, I ordered it a while back, and I'm gonna read it to you guys for our last story of the year. This is called Minou Menu, où es-tu allé? So Minou Menu, where did you go? And she says, à Paris, je suis allée, I went to Paris, et voilà ce que j'ai visité. And here's what I visited. And we're gonna see lots of famous sites in the city of Paris. Minou is this kitty cat here. So here we go. So we start off trying to make sure I'm all the way in the frame, get the story. There we go. Minou, Minou, où es-tu allé? Says Minou, where did you go? À Paris, je suis allée, et voici ce que j'ai visité. I've been to Paris, and here's what I visited. En croisière sur la Seine, in crossing the Seine River, that's the name of the river, just like we have the Ohio River, Paris has the Seine River. J'ai admiré les ponts parisiens. I looked and I admired all the beautiful bridges. Le pont neuf est le plus ancien. And that is Le Pont Neuf, and it's the oldest bridge in Paris. It was put up by the Romans. So my older kiddos might know how long ago that was, a really long time. And these are the boats that go up and down the river. You can take little tours in them. They're really cool. Oh, et je vois la Tour Eiffel. Gosh, I can't get this page turned. Okay. J'ai vu le Notre-Dame. Notre-Dame is the cathedral, Notre Dame Cathedral. Les gargouilles en pierre ont un air effrayant. She says the gargoyles are scary. And Notre-Dame. It's another really old building. It took like 800 years to finish it. Dans Paris, on ne manque pas de pâtisseries. So she says in Paris, you cannot miss the pastries and confections. They love desserts. So you can see in that window all sorts of delicious looking cakes and really yummy stuff to eat. They're big on chocolate, cookies, stuff like that. Autrefois, la Bastille était une prison bien gardée. Long ago, the Bastille was a prison, a well-guarded prison. Les ennemis du roi y étaient enfermés. Enemies of the king were held there. But now today, where the Bastille used to be, is this big monument in the middle of the square. Des tuyaux couverts les murs de Beaubourg à l'extérieur. She says, so these big pipes cover the Beaubourg, or the Centre Pompidou. That's the name of this big museum. They decided to build a museum that was inside out. So you can see all the pipes and wiring, and the structure of the building looks like it's on the outside rather than on the inside. Des superbes collections d'art moderne sont exposées à l'intérieur. And inside, you can find amazing modern art on display. It's going to look really different than the regular art that we're used to seeing. Près de la Seine se trouve le musée du Louvre. This is the Louvre Museum. You all know we've talked about this before. It's got this glass pyramid. It's in a castle. That's where the museum is. Pour voir les célèbres tableaux, j'ai attendu qu'il ouvre. I had to wait in a big line before I could go in to see all the famous works of art. L'entrée à elle seule est un peu merveilleuse. Says the entrance is a marvel. It's amazing. It's this big glass pyramid. Les pyramides de verre scintillent au sol. Scintillent au soleil. And she says the pyramids glint in the sun. They shine in the sun. À l'intérieur, il y a tant de sculptures et tableaux exposés. J'ai donc décidé de suivre une visite guidée. It says there are lots of beautiful tableaux. Tableaux are paintings. A sculpture are sculptures. I bet you got it. And so she decided to go on a guided tour. It's so big, the Louvre, and so it's hard to go through. Those of you who did some of our art challenges will recognize this painting of King Louis and this painting, the Mona Lisa. Voici le tableau à voir absolument. Ce portrait de la Joconde est connu mondialement. In French, the Mona Lisa is called La Joconde. And that's her name because she's supposed to be like smiling or happy. À l'opéra, I bet you all can guess what opéra means. It's the opera. Chants et ballets vous remplissent de joie. Ballets and operas, like singing operas, fill you with joy. Les couloirs grandioses sont dignes d'un roi. The beautiful, elaborate hallways are fit for a king. En haut d'une colline, at the top of a hill, up here, se dresse la basilique du Sacré-Cœur. This is another famous church, and it looks really different than other churches in Paris. It's all white, and it stays all white because the stone is special, and it gets whiter when it rains, which is really cool. And it's up on a huge hill, so you have to take these little trams to get up to the top. Or you can walk, but it is a big walk. À Montmartre, Montmartre is an area of the city. Kind of like if you said like you were going downtown in downtown Louisville, Montmartre. Sur une place, je me suis arrêtée. I stopped to sit. Et j'ai posé pour me faire mon portrait. And I stopped to have somebody do my portrait. There she is getting her portrait done. Montmartre is an area of town that has a lot of artists. Quel plaisir de continuer la balade en petit train. À travers les rues pavées, il se frayait un chemin. It's fun to get lost and wander through all the winding streets. L'Arc de Triomphe. This is l'Arc de Triomphe. It's the Arc of Triumph. That's what we would call it in English. And it's a war memorial for soldiers who died in a war a long time ago. L'Arc de Triomphe est orné de sculptures. Sculpture, again, that word is sculptures. Magnifique. Montré des soldats français lors de batailles historiques. So it's supposed to have soldiers fighting in battles, histories of French battles that they've done. You can also go to the top of that. L'avenue des Champs-Élysées est bordée d'arbres. Au café, j'ai déjeuné sur une table en marbre. So that was a lot of words. I should have stopped in the middle. So l'avenue Champs-Élysées, the Champs-Élysées Avenue, it's the name of a street. It's a very famous shopping and restaurant street that people like to sit at outside on cafes and have drinks and food. And it's bordered by trees. That's what they say, bordé d'arbres, bordered by trees, bordered. And so they go up each side of the street. Ici, so on the Champs-Élysées, here, ici se termine le Tour de France. This is where the Tour de France finishes, en juillet, in July. Au sprint, les coureurs franchissent ligne d'arrivée. They race towards the finish line of the Champs-Élysées. And at the end of the Champs-Élysées is the Arc de Triomphe. So you can start walking here and end up here in the cafes and stuff. Regarde, la Tour Eiffel. J'ai loué un vélo. I rented a bike pour 1 heure près de l'hôtel et je suis passée au pied de la Tour Eiffel. I rented a bike and I rode past the beautiful Eiffel Tower. In French, they call it la Tour Eiffel, the Tower Eiffel, but la Tour Eiffel. Très belle, very beautiful. D'en haut, la vue sur Paris est magnifique. The view of Paris is magnificent. He's up on top of the Eiffel Tower now. J'ai reconnu tous les endroits touristiques. I could recognize all those famous spots I'd been to. Sacré-Cœur, and let's see, here's La Seine, the Seine River. You can see there's people all over, people from all over the world come to visit the Eiffel Tower. It's one of the most visited places ever. Va visiter Paris si tu en as à l'occasion. She says, go visit Paris if you get the chance. Vive la France, long live France. Comme on dit ici, like they say there. Tu connais certainement l'expression. You certainly must know the expression. La fin, the end. All right, au revoir. I will miss you guys over the summer, and I hope you enjoy yourselves so much. Get away from your computer, get away from your Chromebook, and go play outside and have fun. Bye, guys.